I want to talk about something that's a little bit different here. Sometimes you might actually want to follow someone on LinkedIn and see what it is that they say, but you're not necessarily interested in connecting with them. Well, if you're connected with someone, you're automatically following them. But if you see someone that you are interested in, you can follow what they do. I want to show you how that works. Pick anybody you want that you're not connected to, that you really want to see what they do on LinkedIn, and click on their profile, bring their profile up, and then use this option right here. As you see, it says send Thomas InMail. Well, you're not going to do that. What you're going to do is down here, you're going to view their recent activity. So instead of trying to connect directly with them, you're going to go see what activity they've got. And if you're interested in seeing that activity, all you have to do is click this follow button up here in the upper right-hand corner, and that will allow you to follow a person on LinkedIn, meaning that you'll see their updates show up on your homepage. You'll see whatever they contribute to LinkedIn. So that's a way that you don't even have to be connected with someone, but you can hear what they add value with on LinkedIn. And it's a beautiful way of making sure that you find people that you're interested in following and following the information that they have for you.